Hello everyone, I'm Neha from ixamBee. I welcome you all to our channel ixamBee. Friends, do subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get all the updates with respect to the upcoming government exams. We at ixamBee, we also provide various online courses with respect to the government exam preparation. So if you have any queries with respect to the online courses which we provide or the upcoming government exams, then in that case you can contact us through the email ID or the phone number, or you can even visit our website. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about an important topic under the Companies Act 2013, and that is debentures. This topic I have taken up today on the request of one of our viewers. Before I move ahead with the topic, friends, I would like to inform you that we at iXamly, we are providing daily free sessions, the IBPS SO exam preparation, and at 11 a.m. the sessions are being conducted for the prelims preparation. At 3 p.m. the sessions are for the mains preparation in the HR, IT and marketing stream, whereas at 7 p.m. the sessions are for the mains preparation of the law, AFO and Rajya Sabha. So friends, do stay tuned to our channel for availing the daily free sessions which we are providing. Looking on to the topic of discussion today, that is debentures. So debentures, we can say, are basically the financial instruments through which the company raises debt. Okay, so they are the documents which evidence the debt or acknowledge it. So when the company it needs funds for its extension or development, then it can raise those funds through the issue of the shares. However, if the company it does not want to increase its share capital and all, then in that case it can borrow the money from the public. And so while borrowing that money from the public, the company will be issuing a debenture certificate that will be a document evidencing that debt or acknowledging it. The company issues the debentures when it wants to raise a loan from the public, as I already mentioned. Okay, and these debentures they contain the terms of the repayment of the principal amount that has to be done at a specified date. So as we have already seen what debentures are, so we can say it's a type of loan or debt instrument for the very purpose of raising debt financed by a company. Section 2, subsection 30, that has defined debenture, which says that it includes debenture stocks, bonds, or it can be any other instruments of a company that is basically evidencing or witnessing a debt and can either constitute a charge on the assets of the company or it cannot. Now looking onto the features of debentures, we can see that the debentures, they are basically what? Documents. Okay, they are documents which evidence the debt. Okay, that the company is actually going to the debenture holder. And these debenture holders, they are referred to as the creditors of the company, and they receive fixed rate of interest. We can see is that the debentures they are redeemable after a fixed period of time, and it may either be secured or unsecured. However, the company that cannot issue debentures which are carrying any voting rights. The next is the type of debentures. So the various type of debentures they have been categorized broadly into on the basis of security, tenure, convertibility, and registration. Now looking on to the type of debenture on the basis of security, we can see there are two subcategories, that is secured and unsecured. So secured debentures are basically those debentures which are secured by a charge on the assets of the company, and it gives the holder the very right to recover what the principal amount that is along with any unpaid debenture interest that has to be out of the assets which has been mortgaged by the company. Whereas on the other hand, unsecured debentures, they are those which do not have any charge on the assets of the company. Now looking on to the basis of tenure, redeemable debentures, they are basically issued for a fixed period. Okay, and so on the very expiry of that fixed period, the debenture holders, they are paid the principal amount. Whereas on the other hand, non-redeemable or irredeemable debentures are those which cannot be redeemed during the company's lifetime, but are only paid back when the company goes into liquidation. On the basis of convertibility, convertible debentures, those debentures that can be converted into the shares of the company on the very completion of a pre-decided period, they are known as convertible debentures, whereas non-convertible debentures, they cannot be converted into the shares of the company. And lastly, on the basis of registration, the first is the registered debentures, which are actually registered with the company and can only be transferred by a transfer deed. Bearer debentures are those which are not recorded in the company's register, and they are basically transferable by mere delivery, and so it does not involve any transfer deed and all. So this is all about the types of debentures. Hope the topic is clear to you, friends. Before I end today's discussion, I would like to update you that we at ixamBee, we are providing a flat 40% off for the first 50 enrollment for the IBPS SO exclusive online course, which is for the IT, AFO, marketing, HR, law, and Rajya Sabha. Friends, in this online exclusive course, we have certain highlights, we have certain exclusive features, that is regular guidance is being provided by our expert faculties, exclusive mock tests are provided, personalized study plans are given to the students. Apart from this, performance monitoring is done of the students by our expert faculty, and one-on-one session with the faculty is also being provided. So friends, you can avail this opportunity of getting yourself enrolled for this IBPS SO exclusive online course. You can get up your preparations, and if you have any queries or if you want to enroll for this exam preparation, you can contact ixamBee on this number, or you can visit our website. You can use this coupon code and get this flat 40% off for the first 50 enrollments. Okay. Apart from this, we at ixamBee, we are also having live sessions for the law stream, which is going on from the fresh batch which was started from 8th of November. And in the live classes, we are taking up different subjects, different apps, and dedicated a certain number of lectures are being dedicated to each of these subjects based on the requirements, and these sessions are being taken up by our expert faculty. So in the month of November, we are having 16 lectures. In the month of December, the expert faculty, they will be covering around 18 lectures, which will be dealing with different apps or the topics. And lastly, in the month of January, around 21 lectures will be conducted. So friends, you can avail the opportunity of being guided by these expert faculties. And we at ixamBee, we are having expert legal faculty who are conducting these live sessions. So you can get yourself involved for the same. Friends, I would like to remind you that do subscribe to our channel or press on the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates with respect to the government exams, because we at ixamBee, we believe in making the government exam preparation easy. Thank you.